किड्स, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे ए, बी, सी, डी। ए टू जेड। E for apple. Kids, we are tracing letter T. This is letter C. C for cat. Kids, this is letter D. D for duck. We are tracing letter E. E for eagle. This is letter F. F for fish. This is letter G. G for God. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. This is letter K. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. Q for coin. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for whale. X xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.